Beacon Harbor. Been here a few times with our family when they first built it. So we just live right down the road. So we're just gonna go ahead and walk up here and just look at the great view of the Mississippi River up here on top. It's motorcycle leaving, very popular. So there's actually a rental space in there where you can rent it for maybe, like, say you want to have a birthday party or something like that. It's totally
So how was it up there, huh? It's pretty nice. I'm gonna go check it out.
has a nice view up there.
Yeah?
Yeah, you might want to just go to that side because there's someone hula-hooping on that side.
We came here when they first built the place. This used to just be a parking lot. I came here as a kid and it was nothing but fenced off parking lot and a long stretch of Ben Butterworth Parkway and a rock dike wall. That's all it was down there.
Oh, that's upstairs. Let's just like take a little sneak view of the downstairs, the first floor. And like I said, there's rental spaces. In here, I'm not for sure. This must just be their office area. Nice little areas to sit down here on the river. Looks like they're doing some bike path construction here. This is the river bike path. And that again is Campbell's Island across over there where we were just at a little bit ago.